Can you touch it? Yes, as long as you wash your hands afterwards. Yeah.
Nice and spread eagle.
Now's the prime time to touch it.
I don't really touch
How is it doing that cool stuff?
Well, remember, it's what's called butterfly, which means they open it up and cut it all the way up, including its head. It's butterfly.
Jowls.
So I don't know how much you really want to know, but like this is its tongue. Everything is cut in half.
Symmetrical.
Oh yeah.
Right down the middle.
It doesn't have much brain.
They're very smart.
They are very smart animals.
Just like I did the knock on wood before.
No.
He's about to do well.
Chris, she said, where do we have to worry about mosquitoes? Oh.
Yeah.
The problem so far this year. She said, why did you do that?
Yeah. Smells really good.
Put more out of the way over there.
Yeah, I know. I just hope we don't step on it all over here. I don't think so, because he has to go to his sister's housewarming party tomorrow in New York. With yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Can we get the hose over?
I have the hose ready.
Okay.
I have the important job of having the hose.
Why can't I have that job? I'm filmographer.
Okay. So we're gonna now lift this up and dump the ashes there. So
You're gonna not want your feet anywhere. Yeah.
Okay.
Are we going to your side or my side?
I'll go to your side.
Okay.
It's getting really serious.
Whoa.
Hosier.
Oh, it's kinked. Sarah, it's kinked.
You're kinky.
Hey, it's right there. Oh yeah. Whoa! Now we score. Yeah. Oh, did you see that juice just bubble out?
I did.
Oh my god. Oh. You're like cross-hatching it, right?
Yeah. Roughly.
Good at that.
Where'd they go?
Oh, here they come.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. This is an awesome view. Faster, faster!
I did almost eat you. Oh my god. Why would you do that? You have to keep it even.
Yeah!
This is a great game. Wait, can I try? Yeah.
It's like, you didn't go very fast either. I'm gonna try to go fast.
I really hope there's someone on the other side of this fence. They would be screaming. But
Okay, I'm ready when you are.
Okay.
oh gosh.
You do it really fast once. Well, that's kind of fun to get sprayed.
She's going uphill. That's bold.
Okay, yeah.
I'll start with a rhythm. This nice.
I don't
If I
know.
do it like this. Is it
Yeah, it's good. It's
good? Nice and there. Now
doing
you've
a
been to
zoom.
beach, basically.
no, that's not beach. That is so
it's
not
wet
beach.
like beach.
It's wet like beach. Okay, straight right here, towards me.
I can just hold this back.
Not everybody. But
I mean,
close.
most people.
Most of them, yeah.
Most of the main characters die.
Captain goes down with the ship.
Yep. The band is fine.
Famously.
Wow, Alec.
I mean, I feel like the band is fine.
Yeah, because they can keep everyone entertained while they're waiting for rescue. Careful.
It's usually easy.
Careful, careful.
Alright, I got it. Here we go.
Yeah, maybe dial back the
It's still got the tag on there.
First bite of pig roast, 20th anniversary.
So good.
Oh man.
Oh my god.
Oh man.
Oh my gosh.
Oh man. The thing about this is it's really important to me. Let me move my wood utensils.
come around the other side. Oh yeah.
But it's in theory. In theory. I mean, you kind of small.
Little snail shells. Little snail shells. Snail snow.
I'm not good at it. I'm always kicking it up too high. I'm like really good at I'm a baseball girl, but then I got to a kickball and it's up too high. I love it, but I'm bad at it. And then I hate it.
It goes
I can't.
very fun.
I agree. Lars, are you good at kickball? Hey.
Ooh, ooh.
Oh my god.
Hoser, hoser.
Oh wow, okay.
See something in the snail.
When I see it.
Rest in peace.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
I'm not going to spell that.
What do you have to say for yourself?
I feel really bad. R.I.P. I hope she was really enjoying her last moments on Earth before I killed her dead bad. And I hope there's snail heaven.
Rest in peace.
Rest in peace. Pour one out.
Look how big.
Do you want to cross arms?
Yes.
Yeah! That was really good.
Hell yeah, brother. Not tasty at all.
Wait, now do it and spin around on your head.
Wait, Lewis, I'll hold your feet.
Yeah, hold his feet.
Awesome strategy. You went in the first person. This is probably how they built the pyramid.
Yeah.
And then you got it.
Can you get your butt in there a little bit?
Yeah, use your butt. Use your butt and your feet at
No,
the same
you use your butt. It's your idea.
It was Ozzy's
My
idea.
idea.
You use your
It's
butt.
my idea to use your butt.
Utilized ass
Your butt is the biggest muscle in your body. Of course, it's gonna be the best at digging. Yeah, it is.
No.
What is that?
Brain.
That's not a muscle, dumbass.
Are you being serious?
Your brain is not a muscle. Your butt is your biggest muscle.
What muscle is in your butt? What's the muscle called?
Did they tell us that at school? Did they tell us
went to
that?
the same fucking school, and you just have misinformation that I never received. So like, we were
What do
in
you
all
think
of
the brain
same
is if
class.
not a muscle?
It's like plasma or something. The brain is, anyway, your brain is not bigger than your butt. Excuse me.
Mine is.
Like, can you? No, isn't the biggest muscle in your body actually like strongest?
That is true.
Is it your
Thing that
skin?
goes through. Yes, thank you. It's the skin. I was
Their
like,
skin is your organ.
oh, it's the biggest organ.
Get
Yeah, that's
fucked.
Tongue.
Brain is yeah.
No, that's
right?
the strongest proportionally.
Oh.
Well, it's not. Brain is definitely. Let it be known. June 8th, 2024. CC thinks brain is plasma and not muscle.
I don't know what brain is. Well,
Brain,
I don't know what brain is, but I do know that the butt is your biggest muscle in your body.
Actually, it's my pussy.
Oh, over and out. Google what the biggest muscle in your body is.
No, we're not doing that. We're asking whether or not brain.
Google both. Google both.
I'm gonna start with the biggest.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's not. It's not a muscle. It's an
Okay.
organ.
The biggest muscle in the body is the gluteus maximus, also known as the buttock.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get fucked. Get fucked. A lot of you.
Just have misinformation that I never received.
Dude, I told you. You really think your brain is bigger than your butt?
And CC, the brain is not a muscle.
But it's also not plasma.
The brain is not a muscle. That is CC2 community 0.
Are you being serious?
CC2 community.
Let's go. Let's go.
Get off my ass, you wee bitty fuck. If I pull out the claim